Okay, 1.4. Number 2, I've got a couple problems here for number 2 as well. What we're going to do is we're going to graph a line given a point P and the slope M. Alright, so let's first deal with this point P here for this first one here, 3, 2. Let's go ahead and plot 3, 2. 3, 2 would be about right there. And now we're going to apply this slope. So this -3 slope here, what you're going to do is you're going to change this into a fraction, right? So how do you change a whole number into a fraction? Put a 1 underneath it. Now, these numbers give you direction. The -3 on top tells you to go down, right? Because that's your rise, that's your up and down movement. And since it's a negative number, you're going to go down. The bottom here, this +1, that's your run. So that's going to tell you to go to the right since it's a positive number. All right, so from this point, 3, 2, you're going to move down 3 and right 1. So put your pen on the dot. You haven't moved anywhere when your pen is on the dot, so you're at 0. Then you're going to start moving down 1, 2, 3, and then right 1. So your point should be right here. And then you're going to draw your line, and your line is going to actually go through both. It's not a line segment this time. This time it's a true line. All right, so you're going to go like kind of like this. Let's see if I could do that. That's not too bad right there. You might want to put a couple arrowheads on there. That line goes forever. All right. Okay. Move over to the next problem. Okay, we're going to graph your point -2, -1. All right, so go left 2, down 1, and there's your -2, -1. I'm going to kind of put it here out of the way. And then I'm going to use my slope of 4/5. Now the 4 on the top is positive, so that's going to actually tell us to go up 4 units, and the +5 on the bottom, that'll again tell us to go right, since it's a positive number. So once again, put your pen right on that point, that -2, -1. Put your pen on the point, count that as a 0, and then start moving up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be about here. Now you can move right 5 and up 4 also if you want. Right? You don't have to go in order 4, then the 5. You can do the 5, then the 4. All right, let's see if I can get a nice straight line through here. All right, be sure to give some arrow tips there. All right, that is a line. It does go forever. All right, let's move on to number 3.